Is your home too hot in the summer, too cold in the winter, or maybe you've just got really big bills? Hi, I'm Maurice Beinat. I'm Technical Director at ecoMaster, and let me show you how we can fix that for you. It's very easily explained by having a look at the cost-comfort equation. You can see in this chart increasing comfort going up the vertical axis. So we're talking about comfort within your own home during times of summer heat and winter cold. And across the bottom is increasing cost. So the more energy you need to put into your home in order to achieve that level of comfort. Now, most of our homes are somewhere around the yellow zone. So that means in the summertime, you can turn on the air conditioning, you can put in more energy and keep your home at a reasonable level of comfort. Of course, if you're in the yellow zone, if you turn off your air conditioning, the heat starts pouring in again and you've got to switch it back on in order to maintain that level of comfort. In the wintertime, you've got probably gas ducted heating, which is able to heat your home very well. But again, if you switch off the heating or the heating cycles off naturally, the heat will dissipate readily out of your home into the atmosphere and the heating will need to come back on in order to maintain that level of comfort. If you're unlucky enough to have a home in the red zone, then that's really like a cardboard box with holes poked in it. Okay, almost impossible to keep cool because your cooling is going to leak out readily, and almost impossible to keep warm in the wintertime for the same reason. Maybe you've got a lot of glass in the sun and the summer heat pours in, the air conditioning just can't keep up with it. In the green zone are the really fantastic homes. So these are really well insulated and passive solar designed homes. So that is, they make maximum use of the winter sun coming in to warm the home in the winter time, and they shade the glass beautifully well in the summertime. So very little energy required to keep those homes at a really high level of comfort all year round. Now, if you have a home somewhere in the yellow to red zone, you might actually be thinking about moving to get a more comfortable home. Now, bear in mind, moving is a big undertaking. You've got agent fees to sell your home, you've got stamp duty for the new one, you've got to find the new one, you've got to sell your home and buy the new one at the same time, and there's no guarantee that you're not going to get another yellow or red zoned house. So a much better idea is to actually invest in the existing home in order to move it from the red and yellow zone up into the green zone. An ecoMaster Eco Home Assessment is a great way to start. It's going to give you the exact steps required for your home to move that way, and also the most effective sequence of taking those steps. To book your Eco Home Assessment, contact us now.